Hi, this is Hunter from Show Her Off, and I'm here with my good friends and professional dance instructors Shane and Keri. Thanks for being here. And in this video, we're going to give you a drill actually that you can use to help work on your rhythm for Country 2. So your footwork rhythm for Country 2. Because in the previous videos, we've talked about quick, quick, slow, slow, or right, left. And if you're newer to dance, I remember when I first started, like people were saying the count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm like, what does that even mean? I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. So we're going to play some country music that you're familiar to, and Shane and Keri are going to show actually the footwork that you should be on, so you can practice either by yourself or with a partner and start to get a feel for what feels correct and what is offbeat.
All right, to start off, what we're going to do, we're going to give you my front view, probably my best view, and Keri's back view, because hers is pretty good that way. And we're going to work on our rhythm. So gentlemen, what we're going to do, we're going to start on the left foot. We're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we're going to switch over to the ladies' footwork.
For the ladies, we begin with the right foot. We're going to roll through our feet slowly. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, even though you didn't see Shane or I traveling, we are still completely changing weight every single time. We're not tapping, we're not holding, we're not checking our weight in between. So as we walk into our quick, we could still pick up our other foot if we needed to. Second quick, same thing. And then our slow, we're just doing the movement with more deliberate control.
All right, we'll just switch views. All right, and we'll just do this quickly, once through for the guy, once for the girl. And quick, quick, slow, slow, left, right, left, right.
Right, left, left, quick, quick, slow, slow.
All right, very good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to work this being front to front. If you're fortunate enough that you have a beautiful partner to dance with, we're going to relate this to some of the things that Hunter and Keri already talked about in frame, about pitching our body forward, and we're going to get used to doing this with somebody else.
We talked about the connection being the touch and a little bit of pressure behind that, so we're doing this in connection, even though we're just using patty cake right now.
My body's slightly pitched forward, I shift my weight to my right, which makes sure the girl shifts to the left, and we go quick, quick, slow, slow, left, right, quick,
right,
quick.
left, right. Left, right, left, right, left.
Very good. All right, so now quickly what we want to talk about is the actual count for this dance. And if we want to talk about music or the beats, what it's going to be for your quicks is 1, 2.
Now quicks are 1 beat per weight change.
Yes. Then we're going to talk about our slows, which would be 3, 5. So that would be
2 beats per weight change.
Very good. You can see the mathematician in the family.
If you have any instrumental or vocal in your background, you'll understand when we go through our quick, quick, slow, slow, it's going to be 6 counts. So we're going to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And you notice how well I followed that. All right, now what we're going to do is repeat those same drills, but we're going to put it to music. 5, 6, ready, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5.
Right, left, right. For the girls. Now for the boys, it'll be left, right, left, right, swapping around. Quick, quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Gentlemen, left, right. And for the ladies, doing a right, left. And then the face-to-face drill. Connection, touch, a little bit of pressure, pitch forward. Gentlemen's left is free, ladies' right is free. You can use this to practice your shifting as you're listening to the beat come in. 5, 6, ready, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. For the guys' footwork.
Quick, quick, slow, slow, left, right, left, right, right.
For the girls, quick, quick, slow. slow, slow, and then right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. If you do it to your numbers, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5. Quick, quick, slow, slow.
Alright guys, hope you found that helpful. Now again, that's a very powerful drill, and it's one of those things, depending on where you are with country dancing, if you're new, it's one of those things that at first it may not make a lot of sense. I know it made no sense to me in the beginning, and the only way it's going to make sense is if you practice it. Literally, that's why I wanted to have that exercise with the music on, so you can practice and see how it feels to know when you're on time, to know when you're on beat, and that will give you more confidence when you go out to do dance at the country bars. You'll be able to tell better, oh, okay, this is a two-step, and know that, you know, it's quick, quick, slow, slow, and know where you are. So practice those. Hope you found that helpful. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. That way these videos come right to you. And have fun out there. Be safe. Take care.